See Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, chillier conditions over the next couple of days. Temperatures heading for the 30s eventually. In some spots tonight, lower 40s for Lafayette, but tomorrow night a little bit colder. And you certainly may want to protect the plants and the pets tomorrow night, as we do expect some frost. Justin Terro getting our video shot here at 6 o'clock this evening. Blue skies, nice breeze out there today, and a mixture of green and different fall colors, so typical of Acadiana as we head into December. January, February, kind of the grayish months before the leaves come back on. So here's the next weather maker. That's what we're going to be keying in on as the week progresses. It looks like a heavy rainmaker and maybe some thunderstorms as well. We'll talk a little bit more about that coming up in just a bit. But meanwhile, locally, it's been a relatively quiet day in the wake of that cool front that has pushed offshore. Did see some high-level cirrus clouds streaming across the area, generally from the west to the east-northeast, and those high clouds not really impacting temperatures nor weather much. Temperature-wise, we started out in the lower 50s, officially topped out at 68 in Lafayette, currently sitting at 57 degrees, most spots in the mid-50s. Meanwhile, conditions offshore, choppy to rough out here. Small craft advisories remain posted. So as we look at the big picture, high pressure moving in, that chilly air through tomorrow morning as temperatures get down to the lower 40s. Wind chills in the 30s, so bundle on up first thing in the morning. And then by tomorrow afternoon, the sun out in full sun. Should be a nice day. Temperatures getting into the 50s. And then as we head into tomorrow night, Wednesday morning, still chilly with temperatures a little bit colder and wind chill, a little bit of a wind chill there. But we do expect light winds. So that means relatively a good chance of some frost developing. And Wednesday, mostly sunny skies once again. Should be a very nice day. Thursday, transition day, clouds begin to develop. And then as we head toward the end of the week, that system we showed you out in the Pacific develops an area of low pressure across South Texas, northern Mexico late Friday afternoon, with that low beginning to head to the northeast as we head late Friday night into early Saturday morning, where we could see a pretty good soaking. This is going to be a large scale, what we call synoptic system that's going to have snow on the northern fringe, so a pretty dynamic low pressure system. Too early to call on whether there's going to be any kind of severe weather threat right now, marginal at best, but there will be the threat of some pretty heavy rainfall. This is going to have lots of good dynamics to work with to produce some locally heavy rainfall. Clouds stick around through Saturday afternoon. Most of the rains we think end Saturday afternoon, but that timing could change. Mostly cloudy Sunday and cooling off as well, and we'll start off next week on a nice cool note, and then the next opportunity for showers will come along about next Thursday. We'll wait on that. In the near term, we'll take care of the near term business. Here's the European model for rainfall for that Friday night, Saturday morning, going for several inches of rain. And why we're confident we think we're going to see a soaker, look at the GFS model, pretty much the same story with rainfall amounts in the 2 to 4 inch range, and in some spots perhaps a little bit more. So we'll be watching this weather system closely, as it'll have some impacts, mostly a good heavy rainfall, hopefully no flooding, as it will be a progressive system moving along. So tonight, temperatures chilling down nicely into the mid to upper 30s. Wind chills in the northern parishes in the mid 30s by morning. Lower 40s I-10 corridor with wind chills in the mid to upper 30s, and then coastal parishes will see upper 30s for wind chills and lows generally in the lower 40s as well. So after that chilly start tomorrow, we warm up to 58. That's about 10 degrees cooler than today. So certainly a cool day, but lots of sunshine, but that north breeze making it feel cooler. Tomorrow night, that's when we favor mid to upper 30s, near freezing northern parishes of Acadiana. And then Wednesday afternoon, lots of sunshine once again, upper 50s your high. So a chilly night ahead, fair skies, north breeze out there, 41 the low. So throw on the extra blanket or two. And a nice cool day tomorrow, lots of sunshine with wall-to-wall sun, breezy north winds at 10 to 15, but dying down tomorrow evening. That's why we head down into the mid-30s. So possibility of frost Wednesday and maybe Thursday morning as well. We get milder temperatures coming in for Thursday, Friday, but the clouds on the increase with rain chances not far behind. I have 50% for Friday, but I think that's mainly going to come after sunset Friday, and then rain chances 90 to 100% Friday night, early Saturday, and then clearing house eventually for early next week. So a couple of inches of rain on the way this weekend, but in the near term, nice, cool winter weather with lots of sunshine, the way we like it in Acadiana.
Absolutely. Yes. I was looking at that Friday night, though. It's not going to be another late night for you,
It probably will be,
The timing there, huh?
Yeah, we'll have to coordinate on shifts.
That,
not only me, but whoever is going to be on shift early Saturday morning.
Gotcha.
Thanks, Rob.